Welcome to this year's Halloween window painting event. We've spent a lot of lunch periods prepping all these buckets, and you might be wondering what's in them, what drawing of mine got picked, and how do I even paint a window? Well, after today's assembly, you'll walk to the front of the school and grab your bucket. With your chaperone, you're going to walk it over to your store window. Place your bucket down near the window so you don't trip anyone. In your bucket, you'll have paint, sponges, sponge brushes, regular brushes, and 2 popsicle sticks, in case you need to mix. Also, you'll have your winning drawing. Your chaperone might have some painter's tape that you can use. First, you're going to want to use the markers to sketch out your design. Then, you can use the sponges to start to sponge paint the large areas of your window. The marker might mix in, but you can just use it as a little bit of fun shading for your design. After sponging in, you can then brush in the details. You can use a wipe to wipe away any mistakes and repaint the area. Remember, always do the large areas first and details last. If you are finished early, you can add in some extras, maybe some stars. You can also add in some vines or a little pumpkin patch at the bottom. And don't forget to paint your names. You can mix colors on the lid of your paint cup. Here's a little random vine that I decided to add to the edge of my fake window painting. Remember to take a step back from your painting as you work, because up close it might look messy, but all come together from far away.